Okay, so if I ask you which type of YouTube channels you wanna run, 99% of you would say a high CPM YouTube channel. So today I found two extremely profitable YouTube channel ideas that will help to transform your normal life into a millionaire. No, that's not all in head. I'm saying this because I used to create such type of YouTube channels not only because they have a high CPM, in fact, I'm highly interested in this kind of stuff. So I have a great motivation for you guys. Here are the figures you will potentially make in just 1 year. I'm showing you this kid channel's earning, how he started a high paying YouTube channel and how you can start too. Now I want you to divide $490,000 by 12. What's it? It's somewhere around $48,000 per month. That's crazy. Well, that's enough to make someone motivated. Well, I know you guys must be excited for this video. If you are, smash the like button. Let's start. Okay, so the first YouTube channel idea that I want to share with you is web hosting reviews. As you already know, web hosting is an online service that allows you to publish your website files onto the internet. So anyone who has access to the internet has access to your website. So take a look at different topics for YouTube videos that you can make in this niche. For example, you can put in search bar best and web hosting. So it will bring up a list of all these suggestions. Look at this. Best web hosting for WordPress, best web hosting for WordPress 2021, 2022 and best web hosting for e-commerce, and all of these suggestions. Not only these, there are tons of different ideas. This is really popular niche that pays really well. There is a huge demand for these kinds of videos, and the reason is a lot of people are ready to shift their businesses online. Well, for this purpose they need to create a website, and the website needs hosting. Here's the good news for you. In this niche you have less competition, extremely high CPM and less topic ideas. Now why I'm saying endless is because there are hundreds of web hosting services out there. For example, Bluehost and many more. You can review all of them firstly one by one, then you can compare all of these web hosting. Now let's go to the youtube.com and search for Money Tools. It's an old channel where he mainly published videos regarding web hosting tutorials, and many of his videos get hundreds and thousands of views. The only thing which I would recommend that he missed is you should make a dedicated channel on web hosting, because you have time, you have the opportunity to create a dedicated channel on this. And if we talk about the earning potential, then you will surprised by hearing that you can monetize your channel in multiple ways, and definitely I'm gonna tell you some of them. I'm really sorry to interrupt, but before moving ahead, I just wanted to tell you, if you have any questions related to 𝐭𝐜𝐴 YouTube channels, or if you're too lazy to find out freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork.com, then this is the right place for you. Join my Facebook group named 𝐭𝐜𝐴 Creators. Post your query there and I'll personally answer to all of your questions. I'm giving the link in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Let's continue. Okay, so the first method is by default ads revenue. As this is all stuff about business, I bet you will get at least $100 CPM. And the second one is affiliate marketing. As you can see, they are paying $65 for each qualified hosting purchase. And the third one is sponsorship. If you're going to start this niche, you will attract too many opportunities. Remember this. Let me know, are you gonna consider this niche in 2022? If you wanna start this or any other kind of YouTube channel and looking for the best and affordable team to create a high quality 𝐭𝐜𝐴 videos, then you are at the right place. I'm leaving my Facebook group details in the description box for further discussion. Just join my Facebook group, and I hope you liked the video idea number 1. Now it's time to show you idea number 2. So the most profitable YouTube channel idea number 2 is Microsoft Excel tutorials. But before that, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you smash the like button. Okay, check out this channel. Leela has over 1.4 million subscribers on her YouTube channel. She has a dedicated YouTube channel on Excel and PowerPoint tutorials. Not all, but most of her videos are related to the Excel, as some of us still find it difficult. Well, me too. So let's get straight to the videos she had published, and let's sort these by most popular. Oh man, 4.5 million views, 3.4 million, 2.6 and 2.5 million views. Almost 21 of her videos got millions of views. That's crazy. Plus, I'm gonna show you her daily revenue, which will surely surprise you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Just play any of her videos. Let's say we are gonna play this video. 3 cool effects you didn't think are possible on PowerPoint. Okay, so she had given a short intro and then it's all screen recording. Well, as you can see, it's this simple, so don't hesitate and start your dedicated channel now. Because if you create a dedicated channel, your audience is gonna stick forever. For every time they have some issue or wanna learn Excel, they will come back to your channel again and again. As far as content is concerned, let me show you how you can find content with the help of Google. Okay, as we are on this video, 7 things you are doing wrong in Excel. So let's copy this title and paste it in Google. So here you can see a lot of articles related to this issue and many other ideas related to it, like 10 common Excel mistakes to avoid, 7 things you are doing wrong in Excel, 9 common mistakes. So all these ideas are good to go on your channel because no one had enough time to read blogs in this era. They simply search the problem on YouTube and get the work done in no time. Right now it doesn't have enough competition, so it's right time to start your channel right now. If we look into the stats of an example channel, then you will be surprised to see that these videos are getting 200,000 views and more than 500,000 views on daily basis. So if I'm not wrong, these videos are making a minimum $2,000 per day. The CPM of this niche is roughly $10 per 1,000 views. So if we calculate the daily views with this count, so yeah, it's $2,000 per day, and if we multiply this per month, then it's oh my god, I'm not saying anything, numbers are enough. All right, there even you can double your revenue by promoting any courses, just like her Leela is promoting her own course. But don't worry, if you don't have your own course, then you can promote somebody else's course at which you are getting a good commission. So that's all for today's video. If you guys wanna watch more, then do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to smash that bell icon. We will be back with more. Until then, stay connected.